I want to switch things up and try the Creme of Nature with Argan oil from Morocco hair care line. I'm starting off with the Strengthening Milk Mask Curl Repairing Deep Treatment, and it helps to restore dry, damaged curls. I decided to replace 3 of my core products that I use in my wash routine, which is my deep conditioner, my leave-in conditioner, and my curl defining cream. It's summer, and my number one problem in summer with my hair is dryness, and these products all promise to have no frizz, no shrinkage, no dryness. I'm just applying the deep conditioner in and thoroughly detangling my hair, making sure that every strand of hair is nicely coated and saturated with the deep conditioner. I'm going to braid it up and then apply a plastic cap to my head and let it sit for 2 hours before I wash it out. Now it's time for the leave-in conditioner, and I'm using the Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner, and it's supposed to have dual action for strength and exotic shine. For a more in-depth video on my wash and go, I will leave a link in my description box to my original video. Now it's time for the curl enhancing cream, which shapes and smooths for stretched out curls. This is my hair after it's completely dry, and these products promise everything that they said they would. No frizz, no shrinkage, no dryness. My hair is shiny, it smells amazing. You will definitely be seeing me use more of these products in my future tutorials, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.